Hi everyone, my name is Professor Perkle. Machines are all around us and they can help make our lives easier. Today I will be sharing the 6 different types of simple machines as well as a Rube Goldberg machine. The 6 simple machines are an inclined plane, a wedge, a lever, a wheel and axle, a screw, and a pulley. An example of an inclined plane is a ramp. So I have a slide here and this is what an inclined plane would look like. So this could be used to push a heavy box up into a truck instead of lifting it. An example of a wedge would be an axe. So if you think about people splitting wood with an axe, it chops the wood down the middle and splits the wood in 2 pieces. So it helps to make that task easier. Next we have a lever. So here we have a seesaw. That is an example of a lever. If we put heavier weight on this side, our other side goes up. And if we put it on this side, then this side goes up. So it's a lever. This wagon has a wheel and axle. So it actually has 2 of them. And the wheel and axle can help carts and cars move across a surface. And then on this here we have an example of a partial screw. So it kind of goes around in a spiral. So that's what a screw is. If you think of like the top of a water bottle, when you screw it on, that helps keep the lid on the water bottle. And then we also have a pulley on here. So this is a pulley system with a string, and we can raise and lower things using a pulley. So now that I've gone through the 6 simple machines, we can use some of them to create a Rube Goldberg. So what a Rube Goldberg is, it's a set of steps to complete a task. So if we say my task is to put a ball into a bin, I'm going to have a bunch of steps leading up to that in order to accommodate that task. So I'll show you in 1 second. So my challenge for you is to make a simple machine using 5 steps at least. So I have my pulley system with my screw, and here I have a tube here, and I'm going to tape it to this slide right here. I'm going to leave a little bit of space so that the ball can sit up there without falling down yet. You'll see what I'm talking about it after I tape this on. So you can look around your house for different household materials, or recyclables work really good for Rube Goldbergs. And you can try and make your own contraptions. So what I want to do is have this ball sit there by itself. So we'll see if I can do that. There we go. And this is the bin that I'm going to put the ball in. So we're going to put that right at the end. And I have a marble that I'm putting right up here. And one of my other steps is going to be some dominoes. So I have these quick set dominoes, but you could use regular dominoes in your Rube Goldberg too. I'm going to carefully place my dominoes. Just like that. And my first step is going to be using the wheel and axles to hit into the dominoes. And then the dominoes are our levers. So they're going to fall and hit into our pulley system, which is then going to come up and hit the ball, which goes down our screw, down this inclined plane with this ball, and go into our basket. Now we'll test it. Thank you for joining me to learn about the simple machines and the Rube Goldberg machine. I hope you can use your imagination and materials you find around your house to create your own Rube Goldberg machines. Have fun!